Hi, this is Terry from Sweet Pea Papers, the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group, and the Junk Journal and Papercraft Facebook group, and the Sweet Pea Papers Ko-fi shop, where you can go and purchase all the journals and folios that I make in my videos. So this is video 7 in the Bugtopia and Entomology Story. And it is the flip through, as you can tell, because I got the flip through board out. So on the cover, you have your magnifying glass so you can check out all the bugs in the book. Then this is one of my favorite pages. It's in blue on the back. This is a piece of metal, and I'm not sure where it is or what it is, but it was shiny and it reminded me of the back of a beetle. So I put it on there. I did this stamping all the way around the entire folio, and I can only do so much at a time, and it actually took me 3 days to get it all done. Little magnifying glass sticking up. And then you open this, and here's a writing area. And then you have 3 cards. The word bumblebee. And this is an acetate pocket. It's held shut by a magnet. This is an acetate belly band with a sliding card. So you can slide the little card wherever you want it to be. And we have a giant writing card here with a decoration on the back. Then we also have a pocket here. You can see the thumb pull with a card inside, and it has the up tuck on the back with the bug. On this side you have a belly band with 2 tiny envelopes. And down here is a belly band bug. I had this all stamped and I wasn't going to put anything on it, but I thought it looked too messy and too much stamping. Excuse me. So I put this big bug over it. And we have this card that's part of the word entomology. And then it's got a butterfly on the back. There's a large tag here. Oh, and there's 2 large tags on the cover that I forgot. So there's these 2 large tags on the cover, or in the cover, around the cover. Somewhere in here. Yeah, and here's the third of the big cards. Then this opens up, and you have the pupae and or pupa. And then you have the ladybug over here, and you have 2. This is kind of more decorative, but you could still write on it. And then you have a writing area here. And this opens up this way. And these were 3 cards with windows, but one of them, and I think it's the other one, I went ahead and cut these out. I don't even know how I did it. I was so amazed. And then I backed it with a piece of paper that had a bug on it and put the bug in the window. And then, whoops, I'm supposed to flip it. And then there's a butterfly on the back. See, if you flip it, it's right side up. This is a pocket. This has a little bumblebee, a fly. And decoration. And then on this side is the bee with the cutout with the blue, and the blue is the inside up here as well. And it says bee, and it says preserved. I could have stamped something down there. And that goes back in here. This is just a collage page. On this page, I made this during a live with Robin of Rockin' Robin's Crafty Corner. Let me see if I can. And I used a die, and I cut out the view slide or whatever, and then I decorated the center. Then each of these is an individually cut out little piece of paper, and I printed it twice, and on the back side is the duplicate and more decoration. And I really like the way it turned out. I was very proud of that little puppy. And then we've got an uptuck here, and there's the bee. And then to fill out the bottom so that it wasn't empty, I put the word insects and ladybug. On this side is another belly band with these 3 file folder tab cards. They're not file folders. And on the back of each is a pocket with 2 tags. I love working with acetate, in case you guys can't tell. But with this particular paper, which I absolutely love, Mandy, I love it. There's another big writing card here. And it has a little card here. But it has such big, beautiful pictures. And you want to see the background papers as well. So you need to use the acetate, otherwise you're just covering up something good. And this little guy comes out on the back here, and these 3 tags come out, obviously, or there wouldn't be tags, but they each have a different bug on them. And then this is the back. And this is one of the challenges, and I made 2 of them. So one is here, and it's in a big acetate pocket because these are heavy. I didn't have a reverse image to put back there. And then this flips up, and there's an uptuck with the other one. It's got the cool paper and the beetles, half beetles on that one. And it gets caught on that little tag. And this one was butterflies. And it says butterfly. Very astute. And then this is a writing page. I think this is the same one as the one in the front. And then you've got your ants and your beetles all around, and your butterflies up here. And that is the folio. So this is Bugtopia, an Entomology Story by Mandy at Sunflowers and Doors. And I want to thank her for gifting me the kit so that I could do this. And I've had a blast working with it, and I'm surprised that we got it done in 6 videos. Okay, all right, well, I'll see you in the next project. This is June, so July comes up with my Crafty Christmas in July, so be sure to keep your eyes out, keep your eyes peeled. I can't talk this morning for that, okay? Have a great day.